Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Mazda CX-5. Stock number is A7058. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Assurance tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. Swinging around to the back end now, you have a rear backup camera and a factory trailer hitch. And the CX-5 is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touch screen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this CX-5 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.